Spelunking. Go spelunking. This is not getting me very far.
Oh boy. We've started the Goodwill pile before we move, and it feels good. Two schools of thought. Let's chat, okay? One way would be to just come at a task, do 10 minutes, and stop. You'll get more done than you think you will. And I think, yeah, I set my little kitchen timer for 10 minutes. They're right beside me, actually decluttering emails. That's what I was trying to do. It's loud. It's loud, and I have some autistic tendencies. I'm just saying, loud noises. And so the thing went off right in my ear, and I cussed and screamed and then felt stupid because I'm really, you're grown, Kristen. I'm not doing that anymore. I don't want to film this part because it means I have to actually do it. Let's make the unpacking Kristen proud of the packing Kristen. Clear spot to talk. Packers are coming tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So I have now reached the point of stupidity. They won't even pack it because it's got paint and mixed in with it. Dangerous things, weapons, I don't know what all I have. Podcasts, I have emails in my inbox. How to declutter. Best tips and tricks for doing all the things, the sorting, the things. That takes time too. So how do you, anyone have any suggestions about that? I'd love to hear it. And implement. Sort them into like things. Decide what size container they need to go in. Okay. First thing I see after the light, Mambo Pink. Now we're talking. So let's do all the paint. This is some, still good. This is called ink. This is wood filler. It's completely dried out. So that's trash. And this is gold, and I'm keeping that because you can never have enough gold spray paint. Just my opinion. This is Stuart. That's funny. You guys see what that says? Focus. Why would I get that? All you gotta do to paint behind the toilet, because this is gold if you've never seen it. But you can't reach it without, take one of these edging tools, down it with the wheels that you can roll along for edging. Duct tape that sucker in there, and then it's like that. You just get the paint on there, and you just all around the toilet tank thing. Takes about a minute. It's fabulous. Right here, I found this. I don't know why it's there, but you know I'm gonna show you. Oh, oldest son, Blake, he's cute. 1994. He's 26. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm done. I dumped some gold on it that I had, other chalk paints, and I waxed it. Now I got a really cool, ugly, depending on how you look at it, bucket for stuff. So. See, if you're an organized person, you never get to see interesting stuff like this. I dumped this out, and look at that. It's hardened gold metallic paint, like it's fossilized. A pen in there, but then there's these little pieces for camera stuff that I actually need. Things that you don't get to see if you're organized to where your paint would never spill. It says, kiss me, I don't smoke. We started dating in high school. National Lung Association. Just kiss me, I don't smoke. Oh, and I pinned it on him. And I kissed him really fast. I guess that's kind of lame, but I thought it was kind of clever. Probably on the cheek, I don't even remember because I would have been terrified. See that? Did you get it?
It's a plastic can, so no, it's not going to get it.
Oh, shoot. Because it's like 3 days away, maybe 4, till the move now. I'm not sure what day it is. I was doing the things, and I had to stop because they're having a sale on area rugs at overstock.com. That sounds like a commercial. It's 50% off. I hope that's not a gimmick because I bought it. Sea sponge. Here's the secret. I use this for my granite tutorial. Clips. Paper clip. Did you see the YouTube thing? Probably 10 years old or more. It says paper clip. This is either how not to do it or how to do it, depending on your perspective. Better than it was though. So it was going at things all at once. Just a tip. A commercial wouldn't have someone dressed so crappily. So it's obviously not a commercial, is it? This always slips. I can't think straight when you guys are here. So the next one that I will release tomorrow, like I'm a major motion picture. Not. Maybe an everyday vlogger. Who knows? I might. Stop laughing. It could happen. Next one, tomorrow night, midnight. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe or tell someone else to subscribe in your place. That'd be great. Thanks.